Okay, question 10. Water is flowing at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour through a circular pipe of 20 centimeters internal diameter. Okay, so there is water flowing through the pipe. The speed of that water flow is 3 kilometers per hour. This is flowing into the cistern, that is a tank of diameter 10 meters and depth 2 meters. In how much time will the cistern be filled? Okay, now as per according to the question that is given, I'll draw the figure. Okay, this is the figure that is going to be there. This is your pipe. Okay, its internal diameter is 20 centimeters, so its radius is going to become 10 centimeters. I'll just write that 10 centimeters. This water is flowing through the pipe. The speed of this flow of water is 3 kilometers per hour. This has to fill the tank. The dimensions of the tank are given. Diameter is 10 meters, so its radius is going to become 5 meters. The depth, that is the height of this cylindrical vessel, is 2 meters. Now, how much time it is going to take to fill this tank or this cistern? First of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to calculate the volume of this tank or volume of this cistern. I'll write this pi only because nothing is divisible by 7. R square, that is 5 square, which is 25, multiplied by height. This height is 2 meters. This is equal to, this is going to become 50 pi. Right now I'm just writing this as pi only. The next part is we come to the volume of the pipe. Now I'll find out in 1 second how much water is going to get filled up, and then total volume is there. We will divide that, and that is going to give us the time. Okay, this is the volume of the tank that we have calculated. The water is flowing at the rate of 3 kilometers per hour. Let us suppose that it fills the tank in X hours. So the amount of water flowing in X hours will be 3 kilometers. I have converted into meters, which becomes 3000 meters. In X hours, it's going to, the amount of water flowing is 3000 X. This amount of water flowing is the amount of water that is equal volume of the tank, which is required to fill the tank or the cistern. Okay, so pi r square, this is the volume of the pipe that I have taken. That is also multiplied by, this is going to be the height through which the water is going to flow, which is equal to the volume of the tank. I've equated both the sides. Okay, so pi is getting cut from both the sides, which is going to give me the, on cancellation and calculation, the amount of time that is required is 5 upon 3 hours, which is 1 hour and 40 minutes or 1.66 hours. You can take down the sum. If you have any doubt or questions, you can ask me.